Imagine this. You work hard every day, but at the end of the month, your bank account looks like it just survived a hurricane. Your bills pile up, your credit card balance keeps growing, and saving money feels like an impossible dream. Sounds familiar? You're not alone. Most people struggle with managing their finances because no one ever taught them how to do it right. But what if I told you that a few simple strategies could completely transform your financial future? In this video, we'll break down personal finance planning, showing you how to budget like a pro, get out of debt faster than you think, and build an emergency fund that keeps you stress-free. But before we dive in, here's something surprising. Over 60% of Americans don't have $1,000 saved for emergencies. Yes, you heard that right. If a financial crisis hit tomorrow, most people wouldn't be able to handle it. Are you one of them? Let me know in the comments. And if you think financial literacy should be taught in schools, hit the like button right now, because more people need to know this. Step 1. Mastering the art of budgeting. Most people think budgeting is about restricting yourself, but it's actually about giving yourself financial freedom. When you know exactly where your money is going, you stay in control. Here's the best way to start: the 50-30-20 rule. This budgeting method is simple yet powerful. 50% of your income goes to necessities, rent, utilities, groceries, transportation. 30% goes to wants, dining out, entertainment, shopping. 20% is for savings and debt repayment. Now, here's where most people mess up: they don't track their spending. A budget is useless if you don't know where your money is actually going. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to track your expenses in real time. And here's a challenge for you. Try tracking every dollar you spend for the next 7 days and comment below how much you actually saved. You might be shocked by the results. Step 2. Getting out of debt fast. Debt is like a financial black hole, it keeps pulling you in. The longer you take to pay it off, the more interest you end up paying. But here's the good news. There are 2 powerful debt repayment strategies that can help you become debt-free faster. The snowball method. Pay off your smallest debts first. This gives you motivation as you see progress. The avalanche method. Focus on debts with the highest interest rates first. This saves you the most money in the long run. Now, here's a shocking fact. The average American household carries over $90,000 in debt. That's insane, right? So let me ask you this: what's the biggest debt you're struggling with right now? Comment below and let's help each other out. Step 3. Building an emergency fund. Did you know that almost 40% of Americans can't afford a $400 emergency expense? That means if your car breaks down or a medical bill pops up, you might have to go into more debt just to cover it. This is why an emergency fund is non-negotiable. Here's how to build one. Start with a goal of saving $1,000. This is your quick safety net. Once you hit that, aim for 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Keep this money in a high-yield savings account so it grows over time. Think about it. If you lost your job tomorrow, how long could you survive without borrowing money? Comment below with your guess. Final thoughts. If you made it this far, you now know how to budget smartly, crush debt, and build financial security. But here's the thing: knowledge without action is useless. So here's a challenge for you. Pick one strategy from this video and start implementing it today. And before you go, tell me in the comments, which personal finance mistake have you made in the past that you wish you could undo? Your story might help someone else. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button to support more financial education. And don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing financial tips.